Digital marketing utilizes internet, digital technologies, and interactive media to achieve business goals. It's the cost-effective marketing way to expand the business and explore customers. To stand out in marketing campaign, there are 4 marketing strategies recommended. Video marketing, content marketing, SEO marketing, or media marketing. Strategies benefits marketers can drive more traffic with high-quality content delivery. More contents shared on social platforms benefits target audiences and improve conversion rate. Now, are you ready for your business digital marketing? First, have a clear concept about business brand, products, and services. Then choose suitable marketing strategies accordingly. For your digital marketing, web development, and e-commerce needs, please visit us at www.zionike.net. Thank you for watching Zionike digital marketing videos. Please check our channel for other exciting and informative videos. Like, share, and subscribe for many more to come soon. Bye!